A literature review is more than just a summary. It's a deep dive into existing knowledge, identifying gaps, and setting the stage for your research. It's the backbone of a strong research paper, especially if you're aiming for publication in a prestigious medical journal. Start with a razor-sharp research question. It should be specific, measurable, and relevant. Think, what are the latest advancements in non-invasive imaging for cardiovascular disease detection? This will guide your entire review process. Then, unleash your inner detective. Scour through PubMed, Google Scholar, and other databases using a well-crafted list of keywords. Remember to set clear inclusion and exclusion criteria to filter the most pertinent studies. Advanced search techniques are your best friend here. Now, put on your critic's hat. Assess the quality and credibility of your sources, ensuring they're peer-reviewed and methodologically sound. Focus on relevance and the most recent research to keep your review cutting edge. Organizing is key. Sketch out an outline with an introduction, thematic sections, and a synthesis that weaves together the main findings, trends, and gaps. Tools like EndNote or Mendeley can be lifesavers for managing your references. Writing time. Craft your review with a clear introduction, a body that discusses themes, and a discussion that spotlights trends and future research avenues. Conclude with the main takeaways and their implications. Clarity and flow are your allies. Finally, refine your masterpiece. Seek peer feedback, proofread for errors, and polish for clarity. This step can elevate your literature review from good to exceptional. And that's your roadmap to a stellar literature review in medical research. Remember, a well-executed review can be the golden ticket to publication success. Good luck, future doctors, and keep researching.